High five, princess. I'm beautiful. You beautiful?
Oh my God. Oh, so pretty.
Look at that face.
Sabu's so pretty.
Yes.
Oh my
yes.
God. Today you need to use the camera.
You're making a video?
Yeah.
Okay. Shab, my model. So pretty. Yeah. Shab like this, like the I'm so pretty.
Don't teach her that.
Why not?
She's only 2.
So, she could be my next model. Shab, I'm so pretty. Yeah, daddy's so pretty too. Okay. Woo! Let's try the next one. Seriously, you're gonna look princess in that one too. Okay? Alright, come my love. Here. Let's see actually which one. Can you take one picture and see which one give us a better look? Princess, I'll tell you that within few months it's gonna be small to you, this guy.
No.
This is perfectly fit now.
It's pink.
Yeah, I know it's pink. Oh, so good flower. Let's try the other one.
No.
Pretty.
No.
Okay.
Okay, we pretty. Yeah, you princess.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How you feel?
I'm my princess.
Oh, the princess, you have a pink shoes, white shoes?
No.
Princess has no white shoes.
Nope.
No dress shoes?
Nope.
Princess.
Princess.